Mercedes-Benz Vision EQ Silver Arrow is inspired by the Silver Arrow of the 30s. The streamlined 5.3-meter body is designed according to the principle of sensual purity. With almost no sharp lines, the silvery color invokes association with liquid metal. The car has a carbon fiber frame and front splitter, aluminum wheels with fixed hubcaps, light strips on the side skirts and a rear diffuser like a sports car, and a pair of retractable spoilers that act as air brakes. In the cabin, brown leather, wood inserts and polished aluminum. The virtual race coach system allows you to virtually experience the brand's historic and current race cars. The car is driven by a 750 horsepower electric installation, but there is an imitation of the sound of an engine. For example, you could choose the voice or sound of a Formula 1 car or a V8 engine from the Mercedes-Benz AMG. The battery has a capacity of 80 kilowatt-hours, providing you a power reserve of up to 400 kilometers.